Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this bronzy wine colored halo eye, and I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. This first shade I'm just basically going to pack that all over my lid and inside my crease. Now that we have our first shade packed on, I'm taking this light brown shade and I'm just gonna blend that out. And you'll see me go back and forth between brushes just to make sure everything is nicely blended. Alright, so now I'm taking my Tarte Shapetape concealer in the shade Light Neutral, and I'm basically just going to do a, I guess like a center cut crease, and I'm just going to put the concealer in the middle of my eye. Alright, so now I'm going back in with those same brushes we used for the crease and then to blend it out, and I'm going to just be kind of doing the same technique as you would on a normal cut crease, and I'm just bringing that color back into the center of my eye. Alright, so now I'm taking this coral shade and I'm just going to blend out the darker shade with my concealer. Alright, now for the center of the eye, I'm just basically taking this gold pigment by J. LaRue Cosmetics, and I'm just packing that on everywhere where I put the concealer. Alright guys, so I did my face off camera. Now I'm going to go into my bottom lash line and apply some black eyeliner, and this is the ColourPop eyeliner pencil. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take this first shade we used on our lid and I'm just going to blend out my lower lash line with that. And then I'm going to pop on some bottom mascara. And on the inner corner, I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that gold highlight that we used for our lid. And then that's it for the final steps on the eye. So if you guys would like to see my face routine, please check the cards. And the inside, I'll have 2 videos posted. One in the cards is my drugstore routine, and then the inside is going to be my routine for more higher end products. So yeah, go check those out after you finish this video, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all next week.